This is a fiber optic cable and part of the most phenomenal technology we have in America. Only 2 clinics have this laser in Florida, us and Andrews Institute. Advancing technology is moving into the most advanced places already. We're going to be documenting doing laser surgery on build. Check this out. Here's a pinch. What do you feel?
Sharp. It's okay.
Good? Yep. Where we need to be. Okay, we're doing it. All right. You feel anything?
No.
So right now, energy is being emitted as a 1550 nanometers, and that's using cosmetics, but the power on this is lower so it doesn't cut, but stimulates into the cartilage.